Good morning, students. I'm SK Sinha, your maths teacher. Yesterday, I taught you the chapter rational number. Related to this chapter, the exercise we have to solve some exercise. 1A. The first question is express minus 3 by 5 as a rational number with denominator 20 minus 3 by 5. So, of which number we have to multiply, so we get 20 in the place of denominator. This one your question. So here 3 by 5. So on which number, by which number we have to multiply and get it 20? So 5 4 ja 20. So numerator and denominator, both numbers, both fractions will be multiplied by 4. Here we will get minus 12 by 20. This one the answer. Next question. Minus 3 by 5, of which number we will multiply. So we get in the place of denominator 30. Here the simple way, the simple method, minus 30 is divided by 5. Minus 30 is divided by 5. We get minus 6. So here minus 6 is a common divisor. So we have to multiply minus 6 by minus 6. Numerator and denominator, both we will multiply it and we get 18 minus minus plus. So 18 by minus 30. And we try to do all types of questions. Next question. Express minus 42 by 98 as a rational number with denominator 7. Minus 42 by 98. Here denominator is 7. Again we will do 98 divided by 7. We obtain 14. 14 sevens are 98. So the common divisor is 14 by 14. When you divide it, you will get 14 3 ja minus 3 and 14 7 ja. So the answer is here. All such type of questions we will try to do so. Now question number 4. 3 is the same way. 3 will do as this method. Question number 4. Express each of the following rational number in a standard form. In a standard form, minus 12 by 30. Here we have to find out the common divisor 12 and 30. So the common divisor of this number is 6. How do we get the common divisor? So in earlier video I have given you the hints. Take the HCF of both numbers, then we will get the value 6. The common divisor of this rational number is 6. So we will obtain minus 2 by 5. This one the answer of this question. Which of the two rational numbers is greater in the given pair? Question number 5. 3 by 8 or 0. Already we know it. 0 is smaller than any positive rational number. So 3 by 8 is greater than 0. Here, the next question, minus 2 by 9 or 0. Again we know 0 is greater than minus 2 by 9. So here minus 2 by 9 is smaller than 0. The next exercise is number line, but we have to know this one the place of 0, and here positive rational number, and this one the negative number. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 1, 2 and 3. So what we find? 0. 0 is less than positive rational number, and in negative integer we will find 0 is greater than negative number, negative rational number. So the another question is, now question number 6. Here, which of the two rational numbers is greater in the given pair? Minus 4 by 3 or minus 8 by 7. Here, how do we find it? Which one is greater? As we know, compare when we multiplied it, minus 4 into 7 or minus 8 into 3, we will find 7 4 ja 28, minus 28 or minus 28, 24. What we know? Negative integer 24 is smaller. The value of 24 is smaller than 28, but the sign of negative, it shows 24 is greater than minus 24 is greater than minus 28. So minus 28 is smaller than minus 24. Again we know this one the number line. So here 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and here minus 24, minus 24, minus 25, minus 26, minus 27 and minus 28, which is nearer to the 0. 24 and 28 is far away of 0, so 24 is greater than 28. This method we will find it. Now question number 7. Fill in the blanks with the correct symbols out of greater than, equal to and smaller than. Minus 3 by 7, fill in the blank. 6 by minus 13. The same way, comparing these numbers and you will obtain it. Minus 3 into minus 13 or 6 into 7. When you multiplied it, 13 3 ja 39 and 6 7 ja 42. You will get it. 39 is smaller than 42. So here you will put minus 3 by 7 is smaller than 6 by minus 13. Such a way we will do the next question. Arrange the following rational number in ascending order. This such type of a question is very important, and in other competitive examinations or any type of a questions, you must have to know all about it. 4 by 9, 4 by minus 9, minus 5 by 12, 7 by minus 18, minus 2 by 3. Here we have to arrange it into ascending order. So what we have seen, As we know, rational number minus 9 is the place is the place of denominator. So we have to arrange it in a, it is called rationalization, and it becomes minus 4 by 9. Again minus 5 by 12. Here no, no need to change, because as requirement of a rational number, denominator is in positive place. 7 by minus 18. Here it is required to multiply negative numbers. So minus 7 by 18, and again minus 2 by 3. Here no need to multiply. So minus 2 by 3. These are the numbers. Okay. We must have to take the LCM of 9, 12, 18 and 3. 3 3 ja 9, 3 4 ja 12, 3 6 ja 18 and 3 1 ja 3. Here again 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6 and here 1, and it will be divided by 2 3 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2 and 2 1 ja 2. What we will obtain? 3 into 3 into 2 into 2. 3 3 ja 9, 9 4 ja 36. Sorry for the interruptions, but you will focus on these videos. 36 is the LCM. Now, we have to make it all such numbers. Minus 4 by 9, minus 5 by 12, 7 by 18 and minus 2 by 3. Make it equivalent fractions. So here when we multiplied it 4 by 4, it makes minus 16 by 36. Here 12 is required to multiply by 3. So here we will obtain minus 15 by 36. Again 18 2 ja 36. So here it is required to multiply it by 2. Minus 14 by 36. And 3 is required to multiply 12. So both both numerator and denominator we have to multiply 12. So minus 24 by 36. What we have seen, the negative value, the less negative value is greater. So this one the first, second, third, then fourth, and we have to arrange it. But according to questions, what the question is, this one minus 7 by 18 is smaller than minus 5 by 12 is smaller than minus 4 by 9 is smaller than minus 2 by 3. Here, this one the sequence of rational number, but according to our questions, what we have seen, 7 by minus 18, again minus 5 by 12, no need to change. Next minus 4 by 9, so the question is 4 by minus 9 and minus 2 by 3. So the same question is given, and this one your answer.